Okay, so let's look at this question. I finished going through part A in my previous video, so go check that out if you want to find out how to do part A. I'm going to look at part B for now, so let's get your highlighter. So please get your highlighter ready, and let's start. Okay, so on the average, how much did each worker donate? So in my previous video, I did go through the question, so please check that out if you want to find out more about this question. But let's look at this question only. So if I were to look at this question only, that would be, so each worker, we do know that there are 40 workers. So 40 workers will mean that and then in the previous question, I did mention that there are 24 male workers, which means that there are 16 female workers. And the previous question, we did find out that the females, they donated $384 in total. So now let's find out how much the male workers donated. So we know that there are 24 males, right? So that means we just need to do 20 times 24. So because each male donated $20, there are 24 males, that will give us 480. That means the total amount that the male workers donated was 480. So next step. So we need to find out, because they're talking about each worker donated. That means it's male plus female, right? So, and I need to find the total amount that all the workers donated, because there are different people in this, and there are different number of each gender in this, so it's not fair for me to just compare like 1-to-1, because there are 16 females and 24 males, right? So we have to find the total, because here they've written very specifically each worker. So each worker, not depending on gender. Okay, so let's see the next step. 480 plus 384. That means male plus female, which will give us 864. That means this is M plus F, right? And now let's look back at the question. We know that there are 40 people. So next step should be 864 divided by 40 to find the average, because average is equal to the total number divided by the number of people or the number of objects that are there. Okay, so that's the average amount, which is $21.6. $21.6, we cannot really write it that way. We have to remember to write $21.60, okay? That zero needs to be there. And that's basically how you do this question. I hope you found this useful. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.